WhatsApp chat backup loading or stuck while uploading to Google Drive? Don't worry, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete and I'm here to help. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If you have a very low speed Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If that even does not work, what you have to do next is you have to open your phone setting and in the search, you have to search for data saver. Now, go ahead and give it a search and make sure that the data saver is the off mode as you can see right here. Just tap on it and toggle to the left side if it's on the right side. Data saver is a great option to save you from some data loss, but this is also one of the cause for your network or your mobile data to work very slowly, and it is the also cause that your network really lags, or sometimes the photos or videos that you post is also of very low quality. So always make sure that when you are posting or uploading something, make sure to turn off your data saver. And this is a wrap up for WhatsApp backup not working. Thank you so much for watching.